Hey, Dan Passarelli here. I hope you're having a fabulous day and I hope trading went well today. I've been talking a lot about wing spread genius trades lately because there's been some interesting ones, but there was one that caught my eye today in credit spread genius, which I know many of you are subscribers to, and you may have seen this. If you didn't, take a look. So this was a trade in Google. This happened towards the end of the day. This is 3:58 and 5 seconds Eastern time. Somebody came in, this is a professional trader, came in and sold 255 of the December 8th, 132, 134 call credit spreads at 53 cents. And then a minute later, they did it again. And then 21 seconds later, they sold 2,447 of them. And then about 11 minutes later, sold 800 more and then more and then more. This shows almost 4,000 contracts, but on the day, you look at the volume and it could have been a great deal more. They might have traded some that were under the threshold of what I show up in Credit Spread Genius. So what do we think people are looking at here? Well, look, they sold the, no, let's bring that back up again for a second. They sold the 132 call strike. Now the 132s are really, we actually were down below 132 today. So this is a pretty bearish trade. The 134 strike, which is sort of the insurance policy, sort of the stop loss, is at the 50-day moving average. So I think there's a very strong conviction that this stock is not going to turn around and go back up above the 50-day moving average anytime soon, and that we could see a bear route. We have, I've been watching some of the growth stocks, and some of them have been selling off a little bit. We see this one in Google and Microsoft. Apple and Amazon were up today, but if we look at some of their charts, we had a little bit, just a little bit of a pullback, and it's up today. AMZN, kind of the same thing. Could this still be part of a rounded top that we're looking at in many of these tech stocks and the S&P 500 in general? Remains to be seen. Again, we still have a great deal of employment data coming out the rest of this week. And next week, December 13th, is that Fed announcement. So let's make sure we are prepared for that and out of any speculative trades before that happens. But still plenty of time to get into trouble before then. I hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.